Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing a special NordVPN offer you don't want to miss. With this deal, you're getting over 74% off plus 3 extra months serious savings. To make it simple, I've dropped a link in the description that takes you straight to the offer. Clicking that link sends you directly to NordVPN's official sale page. No need to enter anything manually, the discount is already baked into the link. Once you're on that page, just scroll down and check out the current plans. Pick the one that fits what you need. Thing to keep in mind, this big discount is a one-time deal. That means when it's time to renew, the regular pricing kicks in. So, I'd suggest going with the 2-year plan now to lock in the savings and avoid paying a lot more later. Let's say you're leaning toward the basic plan, just hit Get Basic, and you'll be taken to checkout. Like I mentioned earlier, the link in the description already includes the discount. No need to add anything, you're good to go. So yeah, that's all for today's video. The link is down below in the description and pinned in the comments too. And click it, grab the deal, and enjoy the savings. Catch you in the next one.